Hi everyone, welcome to KSP Creations. We will learn few questions in general knowledge. Here we go. First, who was the first person to receive Bharat Ratna in India? Second, where is Ajanta and Ellora cave situated? Third, which place is known for Festival of Dances? Fourth, what is the study of respiratory system called? Fifth, when was Janagana Mana is adopted as national anthem? Sixth, how many times has the Indian hockey team won gold medals in Olympics? Seventh, where is the Badami cave temples located? Eighth, which country is known as land of tulips? Ninth, where is the headquarters of World Health Organization is located? Tenth, which country is known as land of thousand lakes? Here is the answers. First, who was the first person to receive Bharat Ratna in India? Answer C. Rajagopalachari. Second, where is Ajanta and Ellora caves situated? Answer Ellora in Aurangabad district in Maharashtra. Third, which place is known for Festival of Dances? Answer Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh. Fourth, what is the study of respiratory system called? Answer pulmonology. Fifth, when was Janagana Mana is adopted as national anthem? Answer January 24th in 1950. Sixth, how many times has the Indian hockey team won gold medals in Olympics? Answer 8 times. Seventh, where is the Badami cave temples located? Answer Badami in Bangalkot district in Karnataka. Eighth, which country is known as land of tulips? Answer Holland. Ninth, where is the headquarters of World Health Organization is located? Answer Geneva in Switzerland. 10th, which country is known as land of thousand lakes? Answer Finland. Hope you learn all these questions. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.